Alright, welcome back to Grampzquad. Here we're going to do another quick little video. We picked up a Volvo XC60. Nice little car. The gentleman we got it from said he took it to his mechanic and it needs a new head gasket. So, bought the car thinking I was going to be doing a head gasket. Anyway, looked under the hood and wrapped around the AC compressor was this funny looking thing. Used to be a serpentine belt. Come around the front, we'll show you. So right here, we've got the AC compressor, and back down underneath there is the water pump. So if the serpentine belt is all chewed up, I'm not sure how well it's going to be spinning a water pump. So if that's all it is, it's actually like a $10 belt, but we've picked up a water pump and an idler, pulley, and a new tensioner for it. So it's kind of cold out here today. We've got 10 days till spring, but we may throw the water pump in later. We'll see what it's like when we get down there. But at least we'll be getting a tensioner, idler, and a new belt on here. So first off, what we've done here is remove the battery. Always take the negative side off first, and then the positive. We're gonna have to take the battery tray out, and then take the air box out, and all this stuff here. There might be some brackets and stuff. We'll find out when we get there. All right, let's go ahead. There we go. Look in the back seat.
So, I think this is my first car to come with a user manual.
Yeah.
There's one in here and it's like leather bound.
Well, you can figure out how to do stuff now.
Huh?
Come in handy for figuring it out, because Volvos are a little different.
Yeah.
So I got the battery out. There was a 10 mil holding the little bracket down there. And looks like we got a few 10 mil around in there. We'll pop those out. There we go. One, two, three, and four at the back. So I got the battery tray off. This scan down in here. Check out that idler pulley. I don't know if that's just belt just melted on there from, oh, and it's all over. The tensioner is looking pretty bad too. Good thing we got a new one of those. Okay, water pump. Water pump seems fine. All right, we'll get digging in here some more. All right, so now I've just taken the little 10 millimeter, it's a nylon nut, off of the bracket that's on the air conditioner compressor. So there's a bolt down on the side here, and there's a couple 10 mils here, and then we'll take this air conditioner compressor and pull it off to the side so we can get access to the belt here. Okay. All right, so we got the AC bolts out. Two long ones are in the front and the shorter one on the back. Don't get those mixed up. And now we need to make a little wiggle room. So there's a little bracket here. I got like a T27. Looks like it fits. And we'll take this one off. All right, so we're digging here a little deeper. Got the AC compressor pulled away a little bit. And I've never done one of these before, so it looks like the tensioner is actually bolted to this bracket here. So we had to take a couple bracket bolts off and get the one bracket off, and then I just loosened this one here. And let's swing that one out of the way, leave it there so I don't lose where stuff goes. Anyway, check out this tensioner. Looks like the tensioner's exploded. There's only a fraction of it there. So we're gonna pop this bracket off, take the tensioner off, and put a new one on there. All right, so we got the AC compressor bracket out. There is one more 13 mil down low up front. You can get it with a ratcheting wrench. The socket is too big. There's wires in the way. But then we pulled it out and get a little closer look at it. Here's the tensioner. It's just melted. So that obviously no good. We'll get a new one. Oh, that's a long bolt. There we go. All right, old one. And it's got a little tab here. Tab just drops down into the slot right here. And okay, now the torque specs on this is 3 Ooga Doogas. 2, 3 ooga doogas. We're good. All right. So that guy's ready. We'll put him there. Now we're going to pull off the idler pulley. You still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's our new idler pulley. Courtesy Rock Auto. Thank you. Now we'll get the... Not sure what Torx that is. You brought those over? Well, looks like it's going to be a T40 at least. T40. Yeah, it's a T40. And get down in there. Can you see that?
I'm trying.
No, not upside down like that though. All right, we'll drop it. You get this?
What the?
It's the idler pulley just destroyed. And this. Okay. All right, so we took the idler pulley off, and it's got a little bolt and a washer on that side. So what that washer here does is just holds the bolt onto the outer cover. And we'll put that on here. And it fits inside there nicely. So then we'll pop that on. Press it down nice and even. Okay. T40, we'll pop her back on. All right, to get the serpentine belt on, we need to take that water pump pulley off to get it around everything there. There's a bracket there and everything. It's really hard to take those off with a wrench without the belt on it. So what I did is I got my ratcheting 10 mil, set it on there, and then I could, with my other socket, crank those out. That 10 mil held the other ones. Alrighty, just a little pointer there, help you get that off. If you get a wrench on the one bolt, it'll hold everything from spinning while you take the other bolts off. Okay. This way. You're going to have to slide the serpentine belt over the pulley for the water pump, and then slide the belt and the pulley back on there, and then reattach those 10 mil bolts. So we got the serpentine belt in there, idler on, the tensioner is on. We're just bolting down the front bolt for the AC housing. There's the one in the bottom of the housing right here, and then there's the one on the side, and then the one on the arm that comes along the front here. I'm just trying to tighten up 13 millimeter bolts on all of these. and you can get an idea how the serpentine belt goes on there. Alright, this beautiful almost spring day. We're almost done here. And got the serpentine belt on there. AC compressor. So all back in here, all 3 bolts there. Bracket here. Now we got another bracket to put on back here. And battery tray. And I think we're about done. So it's really not that tricky. We bought a water pump for that, so we may do that later, but since it's so cold, we're gonna leave that for now. Just got the belt on, tensioner, and gonna pull the pin here. Got, oh, there we go. It's all down there. Everything's on nice, and this pin comes out. I think. Give it a little wiggle. Moo, 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 moo. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, there we go. All right, we're on there. We're just going to button it back up. All right, start her up. Alright, so there's one more quick little video for you. We're going to button up the car, put the battery tray back on. You can do that. Thanks for watching. We may have a few more Volvo XC60 videos to come. Who knows? We'll see what happens to this car. Hopefully it's a good little runner for my little buddy. And we'll see you in the next one. Oh, like and subscribe, right?
Like and subscribe.
Okay, bye.